Hello everyone, welcome to Ignite Careers YouTube channel. Today in this video, we will explore the software evolution, we'll break down what Python is all about, take a brief journey through its history, and uncover why Python has skyrocketed in popularity. So let's get started. Software evolution. To truly appreciate Python's journey, we must journey back to the origins of software development. Picture the earliest days when programming involved communicating directly with the computer using machine language, which comprised binary code ones and zeros. Imagine typing lengthy sequences of binary digits just to perform basic operations. This was the era of raw, low level programming, where every instruction had to be meticulously crafted to correspond with the computer's architecture. As computer advanced, programmers sought a more human readable way to interact with computers. Thus, assembly language emerged as a bridge between machine language and higher level programming language. Assembly language replaced binary instructions with mnemonic codes, making programming slightly more accessible instead of zeros and ones. Programmers could now use symbolic representations like add, move, delete to convey instructions to the computer. However, assembly language still required a deep understanding of the computer's architecture and offered limited abstraction. Programmers had to manage memory and hardware resources manually, leading to complex and error prone code. To address these challenges, programming languages like Fortran and COBOL introduced higher level constructs such as variables, loops, and functions. Procedural languages revolutionized software development by introducing structured programming concept, which enabled programmers to organize code into logical units and reuse functionality. This shift towards structured programming improved code readability, maintainability, and scalability, laying the foundation for modern software engineering practices. Yet, procedural languages still had its limitations, particularly in managing the complexity of larger software projects. Enter object oriented programming paradigm that revolutionized software design by organizing code around objects and their interactions. Languages like C++ pioneered OOP concepts such as encapsulation, inheritance, and polymorphism, enabling developers to build modular, reusable, and extensible software systems. And here we stand today in the era of OOP, where languages like Python have redefined and normalized these concepts, making them accessible to developers of all backgrounds. Python's elegant syntax, powerful standard libraries, and vibrant ecosystem have propelled it to the forefront of modern software development. As we marvel at Python's achievement, let's not forget the rich tapestry of software evolution that brought us to this point. So, what is Python programming language? Python, often dubbed as a Swiss Army knife of programming languages, is an interpreted high level and general purpose language. It's renowned for its simplicity, readability, and versatility, making it a favorite among developers of all levels. Whether you are delving into web development, data science, artificial intelligence, or even scripting tasks, Python has got you covered in all those domains. Brief history of Python language. Now let's rewind the clock and take a brief stroll through Python's history. It was developed in late 1980s by Guido van Rossum. Python was envisioned as a language that prioritized code readability and simplicity. Its first public release was Python 0.9.0, occurred in 1991, and since then it has undergone significant enhancements, and the latest stable version was Python 3.12.1. So, why Python is so popular? The million dollar question. Why has Python become the darling of programming world? Well, there are numerous reasons. Firstly, Python has vast ecosystem of libraries and frameworks, empowering developers to accomplish all the tasks with minimal efforts. Additionally, its clean syntax and extensive documentations make it incredibly beginner friendly, attracting community of enthusiasts worldwide. Furthermore, Python's versatility shines through its applicability in various domains, from web development and scientific computing to machine learning and beyond. To conclude the video, what so far we discussed was evolution of programming languages, zoomed in on Python's defining features, traced its historical roots, and why it was so popular among all the domains. Remember to stay curious, keep coding, and ignite your careers with the power of Python. Until next time, happy coding. Thank you.